Hello, my name is Tom and I'm a OBGYN physician and now retired. And I had in the last year, had both of my knees totally repaired and replaced. And I had that done because of bad arthritis and pain, and my knees are actually bow-legged. At CHI Health, in my experience with immediately after surgery, it was great because I was able to come to the hospital and go home on the same day. The reason that happened is CHI Health does such a great job in teamwork. The most important thing for me was the physical therapy aspect. I saw them 3 times a week for 6 weeks, and they helped my recovery quickly. The quality of care is amazing. They are brilliant in many ways. They have teamwork that's unbeatable. I've been able to do a lot of gardening now that I'm retired and work in the yard with various projects. My wife's a kind of a master gardener type of person, and she loves it and gets involved with it. And for me, it's great exercise though, because I'm kind of lazy on regular exercise, except my orthopedic ones I tried to do.